All right, Dane, this is an emergency report. I have found an example of a million-mile Silverado. Let's look at this. This is from Mileage Impossible on Facebook. I don't feel like logging in, so we're just going to look at some of these comments. This is a 2014 original engine and transmission. Look at that. This is a Silverado with the dually 6.6 liter engine, original engine and transmission. Look at that. So he's saying, this is our friend's truck. I've seen it in person. Quite a sight to behold. It's completely original and is used for hot shots towing still. All
I
right.
figured he was a hot shotter. Yeah.
Both million mile Tundras were from the same person. He's a hot shot tower for a oil company. So
those guys rack up the miles, man. They'll do 100, 200,000 miles a year. They rack it up.
This guy says, is the EGR and everything still intact? That's insane. You must play the Mega Millions every time. He wants to know what has been replaced. And he responded, it's been deleted.
Been deleted. Okay. Yep. Not surprised. EGR still there though.
EGR.
Yep. I wonder about the fuel pump though. That was a good question. So that CP4 fuel pump was an issue. A lot of guys would replace them with CP3s before the CP4 would fail. Because when the CP4 would fail, it would throw metal shavings through the rest of the fuel systems and then wipe out the injectors too. Very expensive repair.
All right, so I can't get to the comments, but I wrote them down before. I'll put the link in the description if you want to see the whole thing. So he's saying no head gaskets. They went through 2 sets of fuel injectors and 2 injection pumps. The motor has not been opened up. He got 500,000 miles on the first pump and 380,000 on the second. So
that's standard.
Maybe it's 3 injection pumps because he's at 1 million.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the 6.6 liter engine, no engine overhaul, and they call it the LML engine. Is that correct, Dane?
Yep, correct. Yep, that's LML.
And they got the oil changed every 6,500 miles, which is
wow, that's early. Usually diesels can go about 12, 15,000 miles, so he was very early on his oil changes.
Yeah, so it looks like what we've learned: more frequent oil changes. I'm sure he probably a very high quality oil. I'm not going to speak for him, but this is my assumption. And it looks like he's been really on top of his maintenance. Probably using a high quality fuel too, you know, and this is the CP4 pump is on that.
Yeah, those had the CP4 pump. They were not quite as robust and durable as the CP3, which is earlier. And so since this is kind of a known issue, a lot of guys will replace that CP4 pump with a CP3 from the earlier vehicles because it still makes as much pressure, actually, and even more flow than the 4, and they would just upgrade that before it fails. Because once it fails, it wipes out the injectors too. So I'm sure when this guy replaces pumps, that's probably when he also did his injectors at the same time.
Dane, look at this one too. So that was the 6.6 liter. Here's an example of the 5.3 in the Cat Eye.
That's a lot of miles.
542,000 miles. This guy says the best pickup truck ever in my eyes. Squares are amazing too, but these are just troopers. They're still up to date with the newer stuff. All right. And they're saying that it is the 5.3 liter. All right. So there you go, people. The Silverado is nothing to play with. We got plenty of high mileage examples. Dane, we should do a report, or I should do a report, and then we could talk about it. On every million-mile Silverado, we'll compare it to the Tundra, and I believe we have more million-mile Silverados than there are Tundras.
Yeah, that wouldn't surprise me. They're just mostly just because of volume. They're just used so much more, especially for the long haul stuff.
Yeah, and now we know why, because they're awesome.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Yeah,
well,
they are built for a purpose, and they're built for that.
Yeah, they way outsell. They way outsell the Tundra every year. The Silverado is the world's most selling vehicle. Of course, you have to combine the Silverado with the Sierra, but they're the same freaking truck. Let's be honest. That is what we got for you today. If you own a high mileage Silverado, let us know in the comments. What kind of mileage are you up to? Are you trying to get to 1 million miles too? I think some of the newer ones are going to get to 1 million miles. I think that the new AFM or DFM system, I think it's going to be pretty good, but we'll have to wait and see.
Time will tell. We'll know in a couple of years.
I think it probably will be an easy way to turn it off anyway. So if you want to turn it off, you could turn it off.
I hope so.
That is what we got for you today. Let us know in the comments what you think about these Silverados. Thank you for tuning in and have a good one.
We'll see you guys next time.